expanding the Dan Patrick Show Celebrity Bracket Challenge this year to a couple of lucky fans. Every day now to the start of the tournament, we're going to pick one fan to join the challenge. Now, some of the people who've signed up to be, we just heard from Kelly Slater. Bryan Cranston's in it. Will Ferrell's also in it. Yeah, we got a really, really good, fun celebrity bracket challenge. All you do is review and rate the Dan Patrick Show app. If you don't have it, download it. Go to iTunes or Google Play, rate and review, and then we're going to pick one person each day who's going to be in our Celebrity Bracket Challenge, and then your name will be there with all the other celebrities who are playing.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.